Be careful, because Bitcoin is setting a huge trap right now. Bitcoin is right now creating a massive bearish divergence and on that weekly time frame as well. But we are going to need to be talking about that exactly. What is going to be that next Bitcoin move? Because Bitcoin history is exactly repeating. So guys, need to be talking about that exactly and much more in today's update video. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 250 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's that short term. And in that short term, Bitcoin has been breaking towards the downside ever so slightly, right now coming back towards a massive level of support. Now yes, at the first sight, this is definitely not looking good, creating this rising wedge pattern, and at the same time this bearish divergence. Definitely on the daily time frame, it is going to be expected that we are going to be seeing a slight little cool off in the coming few weeks. But yeah, having a deeper look into the Bitcoin charts, first of all, we are creating another consolidation pattern over here. If we're going to be zooming in, we can easily be seeing that Bitcoin is right now creating this level of resistance and at the same time this huge level of support. So we are going to be getting squeezed inside of a new pattern, and a new breakout is going to be inevitable in the coming few weeks. Now, of course, I have been saying this, but I do think that we are going to be looking bullish as long as Bitcoin is still going to be holding above this level of support. Now, at the same time, the Bitcoin funding rates are still looking very good. They're trading very low. So as long as the Bitcoin funding rates will remain to trade this low, I still do think that we have a very good chance of holding this level of support, and then in return, of course, still look very bullish. So in my opinion, there's no reason to be panicking right now at this current moment. Right now, Bitcoin is still looking very good, even though we are developing these warning signals. Bitcoin history is just exactly being repeated right now. The majority of the Bitcoin liquidity is being developed on the top side, like you can be seeing over here. All of the Bitcoin liquidity is sitting above us, above that 105k level. So yes, I do think that another short squeeze is going to be inevitable yet again. Bitcoin sitting at a massive level of support at this current moment. Now, I do think that a bounce is going to be inevitable over here. And this price action over here has exactly also been happening during last year. Now, we have already been talking about this last year over here, and what I've been saying during this moment over here, I've been saying many times that it is going to be more likely to see another move towards the upside than not. During this trend over here, I've been saying so many times that it is going to be more likely that the trend is going to be continuing towards the upside than it is to see a break towards the downside. And right now, once again, I'm going to be saying the same thing again. The trend is just bullish. It is going to be more likely that we are going to be seeing more continuations towards the upside, unless we're going to be getting proven otherwise, unless we're going to be seeing a breakdown. But until we're not going to be seeing this break towards the downside, I'm still going to be remaining to be bullish, and I'm still going to be expecting a massive new bullish candle towards the upside. So yes, at this current moment, it is once again just going to be very easy and very simple for me. At the same time, we're also trading in a very bullish month. We're trading in a month of December, and in Bitcoin halving years, in election years, December has always been a very bullish month, especially if November, October and September has already been closing bullish. So yes, looking very good. Also, we have been having Thanksgiving, and also always after Thanksgiving, Bitcoin has been going parabolic towards the upside. So Bitcoin history is just being repeated right now. It is looking very good. My next short-term Bitcoin target is going to be that 110k price level. It's not really going to be that 100k level anymore. I think we're going to be easily breaking above that 100k, but that 110k is really going to be the level to watch in my opinion. So anyways guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading that imminent short term right now with this massive opportunity presenting itself in the market, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can be claiming some insane deposit bonuses, and the best thing is you can be trading with no KYC. You can be trading either Bitcoin or altcoins, and there is no KYC required, so everyone all around the world is going to be eligible to be trading over on Blofin and claim these insane bonuses with that link down below. So make sure to be checking it out. Anyways, having a look into these Bitcoin charts, well, these Bitcoin charts are making me feel a little bit worried in that medium term, because first of all, we can clearly be seeing in this graph over here that long-term Bitcoin holders are selling in towards short-term Bitcoin holders. Like you can be seeing, the long-term holders are really getting in a negative, while the short-term holders and the ETF holders and the MicroStrategy is getting in a positive, like heavily. So yes, this is generally not a very good signal at all for that longer term. This is going to be a signal we need to be watching in the coming few months. Now, on top of that, we can also be having a look into this graph over here. And always, every single Bitcoin top has been coming in the end of the year, either in December or November. And right now, we are once again trading in December. So are we once again going to be seeing another top getting formed right now? Well, I don't know. Historically speaking, it has been very likely. At the same time, also, we are seeing this huge Bitcoin weekly bearish divergence. So should we be getting a little bit careful? In my opinion, we should get a little bit more cautious. It is definitely not going to be wrong to already be starting to take some profits at the current moment. I don't want to be sounding too bearish, because I'm definitely not going to be bearish at this current moment at all. I still do think that there is a lot more room for upside left for Bitcoin, but do be careful, okay? Nobody got broke by taking some profits. Now, maybe Bitcoin is going to be reaching close towards the top already. In that longer term, we should be analyzing this in the coming few months. But even if Bitcoin is going to be reaching close towards the top, well, altcoins are still going to be exploding like crazy. We're always seeing 3 months after Bitcoin reaching the top, we're always still seeing altcoins exploding and the real altcoin season being here. So we can still make a lot of money with altcoins, even if we're going to be seeing Bitcoin getting topped out. Now, once again, I'm not saying that Bitcoin is going to be getting topped out right now already. I'm not saying that at all, but I'm still saying that there's a lot more room for upside potential for the altcoins. I still do think that altcoins are going to be exploding like crazy towards the upside. Ethereum once again retesting this breakout over here, looking very good and very bullish against a Bitcoin pair. It is about to be exploding anytime soon. Well, this chart over here is looking very good and very bullish in my opinion. The Ethereum bull market hasn't even really started yet. The dollar currency index looks to be topping out over here. This is looking very good for the altcoins and for the Bitcoin market. And yeah, if we are going to be having a look into some Bitcoin dominance, we are finally starting to see this break towards the downside. We are retesting this breakdown right now. So this is looking very good. Let's see how this is going to be further developing. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.